Good morning, students. How are you? Welcome back to your e-learning classroom. I think, students, all of you are enjoying this class. Once again, myself, Vanita, here with your maths class. Students, do you know which day is celebrating today? Yeah, today we are celebrating Doctors' Day. Doctors, they are often given godlike status in our country, and that's not without reason. Nowadays we are seeing they are paying non-stop effort to save the life of the people. In India, 1st July is observed as Doctors' Day. It is celebrated to emphasize the value of that doctors hold in our lives, and this day is meant to pay respect for their selfless service. In our country, it is celebrated on 1st July because it is the birth and death anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chand Roy, which was the one of the most famous physician of India. It was started by the Government of India in the year 1991 to mark a respect for that great physician. The red carnation, which you are seeing the symbol of Doctor's Day. This carnation was chosen as the official symbol of Doctor's Day because it represents adoration, means love, affection, sacrifice, bravery, and charity. This is all about the Doctor's Day. So wish them happy Doctor's Day. Students, earlier I have explained the chapter division. Once again, some more sums are remaining. Some short problems are remaining here. So once again, I am going to explain that chapter. Already I have completed division and check your answer, and so many problem sums are remaining. So once again, please be ready for this. Students, earlier I have discussed about the divide and check your answer. So many solutions I have given, and answers of that problems will also provided. Once again, this chapter revision worksheet 4 is here, and all of you have to do it properly. Worksheet 4 is given here. This is your classwork. Your first question is divide and check your answer. A, B, C, D, E, F question is given. Problems are given here and you have to solve it. Next one, find the quotient and the remainder. So students, please keep in your mind, first question, you have to, after division, you have to check your answer. Already formula is given. With the help of that formula, you will check your answer. But in question number 2, no need to check your answer. Only you have to find the quotient and remainder. Solution, I am also giving the solution in the next slides. So please, properly, you have to do it. Students, for your convenience, I am giving the solutions. All of you first observe it, how I have done. In the same process, you will have to do your classwork. Today, I am giving the solution, but in the next class, you will have to do yourself. So, please observe it and do it in your copy. Students, this is also the solution of the rest of the questions. So, follow it and do it in your copy. Now, next question, find the quotient and remainder. Once again, solutions I have given you. Only for your convenience and you try to learn it easily, I am giving you the solution. So, observe it and do it in your copy. Next time, will your turn and you have to do yourself. Now worksheet 5. Already I have discussed about it, how you will divide by 10, 100, 1000. There is a rule, it is explained. So you have complete the table, do it in your copy. According to rule, answer is given here in this table. So I think it is in your mind and you can do your work easily. No need of any tension. If query, then send your query to me. I am ready to explain it. Next topic is your word problems. Division is your classwork and this one, word problems. So example is given here. You read the example and then solution is also given here. This is your homework and you have to do it in your homework. So first example is the cost of 5 pens of same type is rupees 75. Find the cost of 1 pen. Here cost of 5 pen is given and that is your rupees 75. So if you go to the market to buy pens and you buy 5 pens and you are paying rupees 75 for that. So you have to find out what is the cost of 1 pens. The solution, cost of 1 rupees 75 and cost of 1 pen will be taken out with the process of division. And here 15 is the question, which is the answer. The cost of 1 pen is rupees 50. Next one is the example 2. The annual salary of Raman is rupees 1,57,620. Find his monthly salary. Means in 12 months, Raman is getting 1,57,620 rupees. Then in 1 month, how much he will get in the form of salary? So as we know, in 1 year, there are 12 months and annual salary, it means salary of 12 months is rupees 1,57,620. So for getting the salary of 1 month, you will have to divide the total salary of 12 months and it will be divided by 12. And here the process of division is given here and the quotient is 13,135 and this is the monthly salary of Raman. So students, I think all of you have understood it very clearly. No problem is there. So write down the questions and solution in your copy. Next day, I will give you some other question to do yourself. Okay, have a nice day.